Hello everyone! Thank you guys for checking out today's Wix tutorial video. Today we're going to learn how to create a landing page on Wix. So let's get started. If it's your first time using Wix, then you're going to have to sign up first. So of course, go to wix.com and sign up according to the method you choose. You can sign up by using your email, Facebook account, etc. Once you finish signing up, you'll be able to see your dashboard right over here. So to start creating your landing page, you can click on Design Site right over here. But as for me, I've already created several websites in the past, so I can also go to this button right over here, and I can also click on Create New Site. Okay, so since we're trying to create a landing page, I'm going to type in here landing page. So we're going to click on next. So what's the name of our business? You can change it anytime, by the way. Let's just go for something simple today. So ABC Company or ABCDE Company. We're going to click on next. What do you want to add to your website? So here are some additional features that we could possibly add to our website. In my case, I think the chat feature would be great, so I'm gonna choose that one. But feel free to choose any other features you'd like to be added to your website. You can also skip it if you want to, but I'd like to go ahead, so I'm gonna click on Next. Okay, so we have some options right here. We can go back to our dashboard, which is not what we want. But when it comes to designing our site, we have two options. So either we can choose whether we'd like to begin with a template or get a custom built site, which is created by Wix for us. Obviously, we'd like to design our own website by ourselves, so we're going to click on Begin with a Template. This will redirect us to the Templates page, where we can choose some landing page templates that we can use. In my case, maybe I'd like to go with this one, but of course you can keep on looking for options. I'm just going to click on this one and click on Edit. We're going to be routed to the editor. So the editor is where we'll be able to build our website. Okay, so here's our template. And this is what the Wix editor looks like. I'm just going to be exiting this over here, but yeah, this is actually a nice feature by Wix. It's to let AI write your site content for you. Oh, but we're not going to need that, so I'm going to exit this window. Okay, so we're going to start building our website, or in this case, customizing our landing page. In order to work on your landing page smoothly, it would be best to upload all the media, such as photos, that you're going to use on your website in advance, so it would be a lot easier to access them, and you won't have to upload them individually as you work on your elements and strips, etc. So we're going to do that. To upload our media, we're going to go to the sidebar and click on this icon that looks like a photo. It's called the media icon. So from here, we have the option to upload our photos from our PC. You can also import photos from your social media accounts, or you can use free Wix images, as well as free Wix videos. You can also find some images under Shutterstock Images and videos under Shutterstock Videos. But in our case, we're just going to upload our own media. So we're going to click on Upload Media. We can either drag or drop our files here or click on Upload from Computer. So this is what I want. So of course, we're going to navigate to the location where our files are located. And once we select everything that we need to select, click on Open. And they will be uploaded to Wix. And we'll be able to access them smoothly once we need to use them later on. Okay, so now we can finally start customizing our landing page. You can start editing any part you want to edit first. You just click on the elements you want to edit. Just going to exit that for now. So you just click on the elements that you want to edit, and you'll see buttons and tools that you can click on depending on what you want to do with your element. So in this case, I would like to change our strip background. So I'm going to click on change. Oh, by the way, I'm going to click on my element and then click on change strip background. And I'm going to go to image because that's where we uploaded our image or images. Go to Site Files and select an image from here. Perhaps this one. So we're going to click on Change Background. And there we go. We were able to change our strip background. I would also like to edit my text here, so I'm going to click on my text and click on Edit Text. And I'd like to change our text color to black so that it's more visible. And if you like, you can also even add effects to it. So go to Effects and see which effects you think would look good. I think a plain text would be all right. And we can also change what this text says. So for example, ABCDE Company. Okay, that should be all right. And here I'd also like to customize our form, but in case you want to manually add elements, so you can just go to the sidebar and click on Add Elements. From here you have a lot to choose from, so you can add texts, images, buttons, strips, and so much more, depending on your needs. So I'm going to specifically change the color of this button. I'm not a big fan of the color of this button, so I'm going to click on it and I'm going to go to Design. From here I can choose many other alternatives, but if I'd like to just change the colors or things like that, then I'm going to click on Customize this design. Here I'd be able to see the option to change its fill color and opacity. So let's do that. I'm going to change it to black, for example. And I'm going to go to the text and change the text color to white, perhaps. Okay, and I think that looks so much better. You also have some options here at the top. So you have those buttons with shadows on it, but I think I like this minimalist look, so I'm going to keep it that way. We can also change our font size over here, so perhaps about, 22 would be enough. If you like, you can also change your font, but I'm quite happy with it, so I'll leave it be. And I think I'm done editing this button, so I'm just going to click out, and there we go. In case you'd like to remove a specific element, then you can just click on that element and hit the delete button on your keyboard. Okay, so basically just keep on editing and adding elements to your landing page until you're happy with it. You can also access some tools right here on the sidebar. So we've talked about adding elements by using this button. And then we have Add Section. Here you'll be able to choose some templates if you like. They also have specific preset templates here, such as an About section, a Team section, Contact section, and, well, so much more to choose from. Next is the Pages and menu. In case you'd like to add another page on your website, you can click on Add, and then you can choose a specific template. You can also just have a blank template if you want to. So I'm going to go to Pages again, and I'm going to rename this one. Click on this button, Rename, and I'm going to rename this one, say for example, About the Company. Okay, and you can keep on adding pages if you like. Next, we have Site Design. So this sets the theme for your website. Here you'll be able to change your website's color themes, text themes, page background, as well as page transitions. Next is the Add Apps. So this is where you want to go in case you'd like to add additional apps to your website. One of the best examples for that is the Wix chat. So in case you'd like to incorporate a kind of like a messenger tool on your website, then this is a great example. Next, we have My Business. So here, you'll be able to set this up to get info, subscribers, and payments with forms. I'm not going to need that, so I'm going to go to Media. We've already talked about this earlier, so basically you can choose media from here or upload your own media files here. And then finally, we have Content Manager. So easily manage your site content. You can click on Add to Site in case you want to use it. And once you're done designing and formatting all of your elements on your website, make sure to optimize it on your mobile version or mobile view also, since many of your traffic will also come from mobile phones. So make sure to optimize how your website would look like on mobile phones. Don't worry, all the changes that you make here on the mobile phone section will not affect the layout of your website design. So once everything's all set, both for the mobile view and for the desktop view, you can finally click on Save to save it as just a draft in case you'd like to review it later on before posting it. Or if you want, you can click on Publish to be able to publish your website right away. And that's it. We hope you found today's video of help somehow, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. By the way, we're a new channel, so please help us grow by sharing our videos. If you want to see more Wix tutorials from us, then please consider subscribing. Thank you so much.